Now, I just need to fix this house. Mr. Bull has mended Peppa's house. Now the door can close. Now I just need to pull it a little bit. Over here. Switch this a little bit over there. This, that. Good job, me. This door is amazing. I wish I could live in this house. You wish. Go rest, Daddy Pig. Shh. Well, I fix up this kitchen. Better move the seat away. Time to put up the kitchen. That's perfect. I move it right next to this Peppa Pig Ginormous house. And I'll get this seat for George Pig over there. And I'll get this giant table over here. I'll put it right next to this place. And when the secret seats are done being used, they can come over here. I'll just stay here and wait. One will every time. I just love the swings so much. I'm not gonna get off. I love riding this slide. Woohoo! This is fun. Awesome! Do it again. Whee! And again. Whee! Seesaw. Wow! Is the secret space mission over yet? No, Peppa. And the space mission is over. Oh good, now we can head back to our car. And I will return these seats to Mr. Bull so he can fix your table. Oh, thank goodness. Well, hey, the chairs are back. One chair. A little broken chair goes over there by the table box. And the other chair goes on the other side of the table. Perfect. Now to get back home. Hello, did you enjoy the space trip travel? It was quite an adventure. Moon. Yes, we went to the moon and Mars and the whole universe of planets. Awesome. Oof. Now that you've finished, you can have your car back and go home. Hooray, a car! Hop aboard, Peppa and George. Yes, George, you can sit in my seat today, since you have been such a good space ranger boy. My next travel is coming up. Look what Mr. Bull has done to our house. It's so beautiful. Now we can see how Daddy is feeling in his room. That's awesome. George. Shush, Peppa. You don't want to wake Daddy Pig up and sneezing you away again. All right. Good. I'm glad everything is settled here. So don't wake Daddy up or he'll sneeze you away. Maybe even George. George might be sneezed away too. Ow. Look at this breakfast table. It's so amazing. Indeed it is amazing. Awesome. Welcome. Welcome. Oof. How's Daddy feeling? I don't know. I don't know, Mommy. Okay, Peppa. I'm feeling better. Daddy Pig, you frightened me. Oh, sorry, wife, Mummy Pig. Stop saying that. Okay. Got gum. You said awesome, George. That was even worse than last time.